This is the northeast India, bordering China, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh and Myanmar. But the only thing connecting India and its northeast region is this narrow corridor called the Siliguri Corridor or Chicken Snake, which is about 22 kilometers wide. For fun, let's make the northeast India a separate independent country by drawing a border over here. This new country will include the states of Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya and 5 districts of Bengal. With an area of 2,73,094 square kilometers, it would be the 74th largest country of the world, below Ecuador but above Burkina Faso. But it would be the 24th largest country in terms of population with 59.1 million people, just behind Italy. 214 people will reside per square kilometer, with 85% being literate. 62.5% of the total population would be Hindu, 23.5% would be Muslim, 8.9% would be Christian, and people belonging to Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, non-stated religions, and atheists would make up 6.3% of the total population. The main languages of this nation would be English, Bengali, Assamese and Hindi, along with over 200 local and tribal languages. The total GDP of this nation would be 88 billion, almost equal to Sri Lanka's GDP. It would become the 50th landlocked country and would likely have time zone 6 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT, since this region faces problem with its current time zone, which keeps it 1 hour below the actual time. The capital city would be located in Guwahati, with other major cities being Siliguri, Shillong, Gangtok, Dimapur, Agartala, Imphal, Darjeeling and Aizawl. Due to variation in landform, the presence of subtropical climate and a lot of rainfall, it would be one of the most biodiverse nation. And not to forget river Brahmaputra, around which this region nourishes. Some of the notable features of this nation would be the presence of largest tea growing region, Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak, Majuli, the largest river island of the world, some of the biggest and highest Buddhist monasteries, and a ton of fascinating landscapes. Flood, poverty and illegal immigrants being the major problem, it would also have to deal with its diverse population and the preservation of tribal culture, since this region has more than 200 tribes having their own culture and traditions. In short, it would be one of the most ethnically, linguistically and religiously diverse nation, full of scenic beauty and resources, which would have to deal with certain problems on its path to a delighted future.